Lexie Rigden is here. Hi, Lexie. But we're starting with this Kohberger case because it kind of involves our area because he's from the Poconos.
Yeah, and he was caught here, which is unbelievable that the murders happened in Idaho, but randomly he was picked up in Albrightsville in the Poconos.
So what's expected to happen today then?
So he's actually being arraigned. We had all assumed that there was going to be a preliminary hearing that had long been scheduled back in January, and people that are watching this case were waiting with bated breath and thinking, oh my gosh, we have to wait all of these months to get the information that we've all been wanting to hear. And then in secret, the grand jury, as grand juries do, they indicted him in secret. They have canceled now the preliminary hearing, and now he is indicted. So the court can move forward against him, and today he's going to be in court to be arraigned, and he's going to plead guilty or not guilty, and probably not guilty.
Remind me what he did.
Wait, and why do you think not guilty?
Well, he pleaded not guilty the first time, and you know, this is a life imprisonment or death penalty case. We don't know yet, so you know, frankly, he kind of has nothing to lose. But he's accused of killing those 4 University of Idaho students back in November. Three female students and 1 male student in the house in Moscow, Idaho.
But didn't they
Very gruesome crime scene.
Didn't they find his DNA on the weapon?
They did allegedly find that. They also have a lot of cell phone and cell tower evidence.
Yes.
But what's interesting about this case is that we don't know how he was connected to the victims.
To them, yeah.
So, you know, there may never be a good reason to have DNA on a knife, but if their DNA is in his car or his DNA is in the house, maybe there's a good reason for it. I don't know. But, you know, we've seen people that are very guilty and obviously still plead not guilty. So that's what everybody's expecting that he's going to do today.
Okay, well, I mean, why not go for it, like you said?
Well, exactly. I mean, he's got nothing but time. He's got nothing to lose.
Yeah.
Let's get to this other case out of South Carolina that really, so many people were so upset by this because this couple, they just got married. They send them off into a golf cart so they can go and enjoy the rest of their wedding night. And there was an accident.
Yes, horrible. Jamie Komorowski was driving 65 miles an hour. She was drunk, and she slammed into that golf cart, killed the bride, Samantha, right there, the beautiful bride. That was minutes before that happened. And then Eric Hutchinson, her husband, is, I mean, he's okay, he lived, but he has a lot of injuries, including a traumatic brain injury.
And he is speaking about what happened. So here's what he had to say the first time we're hearing from him.
I'm still trying to wrap my head around it. That night going from an all-time high to an all-time low, it's pretty rough to try to comprehend.
I do remember the last thing I remember her saying was she wanted the night to never end.
Oh my God, now you've spent some time in South Carolina. Explain why you would have a golf cart out onto the road. They go from one venue to the next.
Or if you're going to the beach or something, like a lot of people just have golf carts and they just go along. It's not uncommon.
Beautiful weather out there. And the driver is in a lot of trouble. I mean, she's facing reckless homicide, which carries up to 10 years, 3 counts of DUI. She's also now being sued for wrongful death. Her employers, who Mr. Hutchinson said encouraged her to drink and go out and party the night of this accident, are being sued.
It was a work event.
It was a work event. The bar who served her, allegedly overserved her, they're being sued. So her troubles are far from over, civilly and criminally.
And so's her company, yeah.
Right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Miley Cyrus opens up about